Hello everyone. Another episode of Uthando Nesthembu aired last night with a little bit of drama. Umselegu is still on number 5 and he insists that he will take his number 5. The meeting continued between Mayeni and Mselegu. Umayeni won't budge shame. She won't even attend the meeting that Mselegu wants to have with his wives, and she still hasn't changed her mind. Uyayihlekisa Ella number 5, and Umayeni's reasons not to attend the meeting is that she won't allow Mselegu to hurt her feelings and said Mselegu played her too much when she was younger and she won't allow it this time. Things really got sour for Mselegu Sheng. He then went to see Ubaba Ncamo for advice because he doesn't want to destroy his family while trying to get another wife, and told Ubaba Ncamo that he's failing to lay out his vision for his wives. The old man asked him that what will happen if the wife doesn't give him more children. Umselegu said that won't be an issue. The man advised him to wait. They will come along, and he took that advice. Shame. Umselegu also visited Umakhumalo and told her about the issue of number 5, and Umakhumalo said she's tired of this whole thing. She's fine with it. If it were up to her, he was supposed to come with her. Umselegu took the advantage of Umakhumalo's kindness and asked her to share her days if it happens he's bringing this new wife. Umakhumalo was totally okay with it and said she doesn't mind, and he must do it sooner because he's getting really old. Umselegu was so happy to hear that. Ubaba Umselegu also had a lunch with his daughter Usne, and they are getting along now. Usne wants to change her surname and with her kids to Umselegu since daddy has paid damages. Umselegu was pleased to hear that, but asked her why she doesn't want to buy a present for her child since it's gonna be her birthday. Usne said Umacele will take care of that, it's their child anyway. Umselegu felt like she's using Macele's kindness or taking advantage of her. Usne also told her daddy that she wants a driver's license but wants her brother Olwandle to teach her how to drive. Umselegu said it's okay, but he feels like she needs to go to a proper driving school. Umthombeni also visited Umangwabe and told her that he's not going to pay lobola for the 5th wife and is going to wait, but she's going to be a girlfriend for now, and asked if they can give her perks of being a wife. Umangwabe said she doesn't want to be involved. Shame. Umselegu has many girlfriends anyway. Aibo Umo girl is exposing husband and won't compromise her time just for the girlfriend. The way Umselegu is behaving, we might see number 5 on the next episode. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.